My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up ads coming from the website totaltopfeed.com. totaltopfeed.com. So these are extremely deceptive alerts that try to force you into subscribing to their web push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to click on the Allow button to subscribe to the push notifications and continue watching. There are times when these pop-ups tell you that clicking on Allow button is for the purpose of age verification or for proving that you are not a robot or for some other reasons, but in reality, when people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on Allow, their browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So people start getting ads that are popping up in the right bottom part of the Windows computer screen. Plus, they may be forwarded to some other deceptive content in the internet. So what to do if the Allow button was mistakenly clicked? Of course, you need to fix your browser to stop these ads from attacking your screen in the future. So go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to the Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings, and in Permissions area, click on the Notifications. Now you need to carefully examine the bottom of the list that shows websites allowed to send notifications. Find this totaltopfeed.com, click on this button and remove it from the list. I would also recommend you to research your Windows computer additionally with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start carefully examining your computer to be persuaded that it is free of any other infections. After you successfully download and install the software, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database to make sure that it can detect and delete the threats on your computer. Initially, the application, of course, is in the trial mode. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will perform the direct analysis of your Windows computer. There will be certain types of threats, for instance, those that are related to your browser behavior. In case there are some websites that display intrusive push notifications, they will be marked as suspicious items detected. In case there are some of the more serious threats like malware, like ransomware, or other infections, they will be marked as threats. So this is the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner. As you see, the majority of these threats are related to some suspicious browser behavior. For instance, these pop-up windows that may be the part of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browser may be very stubborn and annoying to attack your screen. Combo Cleaner with the premium version will help to fix these issues. Plus, there may be some more serious threats like adware, malware, or ransomware, or some browser hijacking applications on your computer. Similarly, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of them with the premium version of the software. And the premium version of the program will keep your system fully protected against such threats in the future.